Good morning, guys. It's like a winter wonderland out here. The weather has finally turned off cold, and what a better way to start your morning than to get out and get some cold therapy and grounding.
Let's do this.
Today's Monday and it's harvest day, so I need to get woke up so I can get excited to start my day. It's frozen, grass is frozen, so perfect time to ground. Woo! I'm awake though.
Oh.
Time to start harvesting. I thought I'd take you along with me today and show you the process. I'm getting ready for harvest day. It actually starts the night before, so I stop watering my microgreens about 24 hours before I harvest them, and I prepare my orders. I get my container count out and ready. I put labels on all my lids, so that makes harvest day a lot quicker and smoother, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Compostable containers. I have two different kinds. I have the one where the lid's attached to the container, and I also have where the lid is separate from the container. It'll work really well. It's just whatever you prefer. So I've been trying these out on my bigger orders, and they seem to be working pretty good for me. The labels that I've used, I actually created these labels myself on Canva. You need a great place to create something. I highly recommend Canva. It's wonderful. I created my logo there, I created my labels there, and then I have a local print company print out my labels for me on these rolls. I have them set up here. Good to have a nice setup going, have everything that you need right in one place to make harvest day go really smoothly. Then after I harvest them and get them packaged up, I immediately put it in my refrigerator. I do have a refrigerator out here in my garage specifically for my microgreens. It's best to get them in the refrigerator as quick as possible after you harvest. Okay, so I went and got the second set of microgreens on my little rack here. As you can tell, that rack worked really well from transferring all the microgreen trays from my grow room out to my garage. So I highly suggest getting a little cart if you're like me and you plant in one area and harvest in another. So I'm gonna go ahead and get finished up here. I'm done harvesting. Now it's time for cleanup. As you could tell, trays need dumped. My workstation needs cleaned up. I also have remnants left of trays that I will harvest, sell to my local community. A lot of times people haven't placed an order on my website, so I will post weekly my availability of the extras that I have left after harvest day. My microgreens are in the refrigerator getting cold and ready to be delivered, so I will show you my next process. Harvest and package my microgreens, and they've been in the refrigerator for a couple hours now. I'm gonna go ahead and make a delivery today. I like to make my deliveries within 24 hours of harvesting for the maximum freshness. I use this delivery cooler bag, works out so good. I got this produce box from a local grocery store, fits in perfectly. And then I use these little ice trays here. They just fit in perfectly into my delivery bag, just like that. It'll keep your microgreens nice and cool while you're out making your deliveries. Okay, all ready to go to make deliveries. I have about 3 stops today on this small harvest day. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I have a challenge for you. Comment below if you accept my challenge. Tomorrow morning, I want you to wake up, go outside and get some sunlight on your face, on your skin, get some fresh air, and get some cold therapy. So, put in the comments if you accept my challenge. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, so you can follow along on everything that we do here at Living Life Barefoot.